awesome viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to my kitchen. I hope you all have a Merry Christmas. I did. And I just want to wish you all a Happy New Year when it comes. And today I've got on my menu brown stew beef with rice and peas and a bit of green vegetables on the side. And let's start it. This is my beef. It's already washed, seasoned and everything. I've leave it to marinate for 1 hour. So I am going to start browning my beef. And I did tell you guys what I used before, but I'm just gonna remind you. I use jerk seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, garlic granules, onion powder, ground turmeric, black pepper, and dark soy sauce. So what I did, because I've already seasoned my meat, but I'm just telling you, I use a teaspoon of all my seasoning. And what I do, I just rub it all into my meat and then I leave my meat to marinate. And over here, I've already got some rice and peas what I've cooked. If you go back to my video, for all those who are new, you will see I've posted a video with rice and peas, and I think it's brown stew chicken. So you can watch that video if you want to know exactly how I cook my rice and peas from scratch. Okay, so I'm just gonna wash my hands and let's get started. So I'm just gonna turn my heat on and let my oil hot. Then I'm gonna show you how to brown your beef from scratch. My oil is hot and I'm using vegetable oils, but you can use oil of your choice, but I'm using vegetable oil. Before you brown your meat, you need to remove the season, the onion, the spring onion, and the thyme from your meat before you brown it. Because if you don't remove it, then the meat will burn. This beef is looking really good. Guys, look at my beef. It's all browning. It's looking good. Looking really good. Look at that. Looking really good. I like to brown my beef before I cook it down. That's the way how I was teach how to cook. So guys, my beef is all near finished browning and it's all looking good. So what I'm going to do when I finish browning my beef, I'm going to show you how to cook it down. Okay. My beef is all brown and ready for cooking. And what I'm going to do, this is all my white onions. This is some garlic and ginger. Over here is some thyme with hot scotch bonnet pepper. Spring onions. So I am going to add all this to my frying pan. Then I'm going to add some tomato puree. And I'm going to add some dark soy sauce. I'm also going to add a little bit of hot pepper sauce. This is just to give it a little kick, not too fiery because I don't like when it's too fiery. Look at that, guy, that is looking really good, absolutely good. I'm going to add all this to the pan where I'm cooking my meat in. And then I'm just going to add my meat in. Look at that, guy. That is looking really good. And then what I am going to do, I am going to add some boiling water, and then I am going to reduce my heat and leave my meat to cook until when it's soft and tender. When my meat is near cooking, when it started getting really soft and tender, I'm going to add my carrot and I'm going to add my potato. So these are the last two things what you add to the meat just before you turn the fire off. So I am going to add some boiling water now. So guys, I'm just adding my boiling water, just enough water to cover my meat, as you can see, and it's all looking good. Look at that, it's looking really good. So I am just going to cover my pot and leave my meat on low heat. So I'm reducing the heat so that it can slowly cook. So guys, my meat is slowly cooking, so I'm just going to cover my pot and leave my meat to cook. Wow, look guys, look at that. My beef is looking really good. It's cooking down really nicely. Guys, if you don't have soy sauce, you can also use browning. I forget to mention that, so don't worry about it. If you have soy sauce, you can go ahead and use soy sauce. And if you don't have soy sauce, you can use browning. Okay. Guys, this is my vegetables to go with my dinner. So it's just broccoli and Brussels sprouts to go with my rice and peas and my brown stew beef. Guys, my meat is getting tender and my gravy is looking really good, so I'm just going to add my potato now, and then I'm going to add my carrot. So I'm just going to leave my potato to cook and my carrot. And then look at the gravy, guys. Looking really good. So I'm just going to leave it to cook now. And then once it finished cooked, then I will turn the fire off. Okay. guys, my beef is ready. It's all looking good. My gravy is looking good. Everything is looking good. My rice and peas is looking good. My green veg, my broccoli and my Brussels sprout is looking good. So I am going to serve my dinner. Guys, my meal is all ready and it's all looking good. And I'm about to eat my meal. And I've got a glass of Jamaican sorrel to go with my meal. So guys, if you like my video, give it a thumbs up, like and share, subscribe to my channel. Enjoy your meal. See you soon in my next video. Love you. Bye.